Okay, today I would like to show you how to change a battery in notebook Lenovo ThinkPad X260 X260. Okay, how to change battery in this notebook. Okay, so we have to call him like this, turn other side like this, and we can look at him, and here we have a battery, and it's really very easy. Just one point stick here to the left, and another one is the right side to the right, and this battery will be close up. Okay, so I can try to show you how to do. I don't know from which side. For example, from like this. Yeah, it could be nice like this, but I'm not sure if it's possible to do like this. Okay, so we'll get here. One here, another one here, yeah, like this. And battery going out. Yeah. Now it looks like this. And we can take another one batteries. For example, this is another one. And now we can give this battery back. Very easy again. Just like this. Pick. It's all. It's very easy. It can provide it everyone. Small charge too. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, like this guys, and subscribe. See you. Bye.